Thank you for joining me here at Shanna's Sweets. I'm glad you could be here today. I have a super easy card with 2 Wild Rose. This is a bundled stamp set that you get the stamp and the dies, and you can get them for 10% off. They're super pretty. It is a photopolymer stamp set, so you get 2 stamps inside. And we're going to make this super quick card featuring some Perennial Essence DSP and Blackberry Bliss inking color. We're going to stamp this one with some Blackberry Bliss, and this one we're going to use all 3 of our stamping techniques here. So you want to take and stamp the blackberry, stamp off. Again, line up those little corner pieces. Gotta get my head. Hopefully I'm not in the camera. And do make sure you give it a good smush. And this time I'm going to use this piece here, which is some more detail. And you still can see a little bit of the angle. But don't stamp off that time. I think I need to re-ink my ink pads. I may have used them a little too much. It's okay. It's not perfect, but you know what? It's okay. It's not supposed to be perfect. That's what homemade is all about. Then I have a square, which is 2 7/8, because I think I used the layering squares for this, so that's why it is not a perfect number. And I'm going to take, and this time I'm going to stamp the outline first because I am stamping. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp the outline first, and then I'm going to stamp it down there because I want to be able to see where to put my image. So then I'm going to stamp off and then just fill in the inside. Like that. And this time I'm going to take my hello and stamp it up there. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one on our green square. Okay, and then our Blackberry Bliss again is 8.5 by 5.5, and this time I'm using some DSP, and it is 4 by 5.25. And I'm not putting any other layering piece. I really like this DSP right against that Blackberry Bliss. And we'll put our square right down. And then we're going to pop up this one. and put it here in the corner. And then we're going to take some little pearls and put those in the middle. And that card is done. Isn't that super cute?